We have entered the JB Motoren garage, and in today's video we are going to install the Raid Garage Rally Exhaust, the low mount, adjustable lever and the Raid Garage foot pegs. So that's what you're going to see in today's video, and it will be loud. Very loud. Okay, and we start with removing the skid plate. This is all need to come loose. Nice. Okay, the exhaust is off. Now the catalytic converter. Oh, nice. Very nice. This sucker won't come loose.
Shit box.
Nice.
Auw, die is wel warm.
Die is wel warm, ja. It's still hot. Jezus.
Het is geen weegschaal.
Wat een knoepert. Instead of that, the huge catalytic converter. I'm going to install this. Here you can see the difference. Let's weight this. $2.9 kilos versus 1 kilo versus 2.9 weight savings. The exhaust weighs 2.8 and the old one 2.44. So the total weight savings is 1.982 kilogram. So that's very nice. I have the carbon skid plate and the Raid Garage kit. So in total saving, I don't know, I hope it's a lot. Oh, nice. Like new. Bit too loud. Die is wel heel luid hoor.
Dit is met dat ding erin nog, hè?
Ja. This is the sound with one of these inside. A homemade AliExpress catalytic converter thingy. Yeah, even with this inside, it's very loud. Okay, what we are going to do is something with the decibel killer. And this one is open, so still a bit too loud. And the one of my Black Widow exhaust is actually quite perfect. Let me show it to you.
Hij is precies mooi eigenlijk met de weekillen.
Ja.
Wel lekker zwaar, maar...
Ja, zo is hij echt zwaar ook.
Ja, ik vind het hartstikke mooi om met te rijden, dan ga ik al automatisch op inhalen.
So the next step is this one. Cut it over here, put it inside the spark arrestor, provided with the exhaust. Let me show it to you. This one normally sits in the exhaust like this, and we are going to do something like this. And then we have our own made decibel killer to have normal sound but still loud. Uit elkaar trekken. Cool. This man can do everything. Alright, it fits. It sits very nice. The sound is nice as well. It's louder than it was before, so that's good. No flames out of the exhaust, so that's also good. And it's very obvious that there is a decibel killer inside. And we have kind of strict rules here in Netherlands, so that's very nice. Teleported from the garage into the garden. We had an event last weekend. It runs perfectly and the sound is just perfect with the baffle inside and the little thingy in here. This is the sound when you do a quick shifter. And this is the sound when you give it a little bit of throttle when doing off-road.
New exhaust of Jeffrey sounds very nice.
Let me fire it up for you. Cold start with the baffle inside. So as you can hear, it's sounding quite normally, but when you give it a little bit more throttle, it's going to scream. So let's remove the baffle and show the difference. I've tightened it up with Loctite, because I'm never going to use it without the baffle. I know everyone wants that, but it's just too loud. Alright, I need to pop it out and you can hear the sound directly. Over here. And that is the reason why I have it inside. It's a very nice sound, absolutely, but it's way too loud.